My dear students, now the remaining questions. 3. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication method. So, one is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. 8x plus 5y, this 9 to take that set, minus 9 is equal to 0, equation 1. And 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, equation 2. Here a1 is 8, b1 is 5 and c1 is minus 9, a2 is 3, b2 is 2 and c2 is minus 4. By cross multiplication method, x by the formula is b1 by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b1 minus a2 b1. Put the values of this a, b, c, a1, b1, c1. X by 5 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 9 is equal to 9 into minus 9 into 3 minus 4 into 8 is equal to 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5. This value a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 we put here. Okay, in this place we got this. Okay. X by minus 20 plus 18, this minus 20 minus plus 18 is equal to 9 by y by minus 27 plus 3y is equal to 1 by 16 minus 15. Or x is equal to minus x by minus 2 is equal to y by 5 is equal to 1 by 1. Or x by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 1. Or x is equal to x into 1 is equal to minus 2 into 1. And y is equal to y by 5 is equal to 1 by y, 1 by 1 y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2. So answer is x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5. Question 4. From the pair of linear equation and equation, form the pair of linear equation and find their solution if exist by any method. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days. One has taken food in the mess when a student A takes food for 20 days and C has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Solution. Let the fixed charge be X and per day charge be Y. Therefore, A takes food for 20 days. That means X fixed charge plus for 20 days 20 into Y is equal to 1000. Equation 1. B takes food for 26 days. That means the fixed charge is X and for 26 days charge 26 into Y is equal to 1180. Equation 2. Subtracting 1 from 2 we get this. We subtract this from this. X minus x cancel. 26 minus 20 is 6 and 1180 minus 1000 is 118. So y is equal to 180 by 6 is equal to 30. Putting y is equal to 30 in equation 1 we get, in equation 1 here we put x plus this 20 into y. Y is we got 30, so 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. So x plus this 600 is equal to 1000. So x is equal to 1000 minus 600 is equal to 400. So the fixed charge is rupees 400 and per day charge is rupees 30. Now question number 2 of 4. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator and becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Solution. Let the fraction be x by y. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So from the numerator, we subtract 1 by this denominator is equal to 1 by 3. So we cross multiplication with 3 into x minus 1 is equal to y. 3x minus 3 is equal to y. Or 3x minus y is equal to 3, equation 1. Fraction becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So x plus x by y plus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. 4y is equal to, by cross multiplication, 4y is equal to y plus 8. Or 4x minus y is equal to 8, equation 2. Subtracting 1 from 2, 4x minus y is equal to 8, 3x minus y is equal to 3. We subtract 4x minus 3x is x, and minus y, it is cancelled. It becomes 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. Putting this x is equal to 5 in equation 1, 3 into 5 minus y is equal to, in this equation, 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 3. So 3 into 5, 15 minus y is equal to 3. 15 minus 3 is equal to y. Or this 12 by 12 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 12. So the fraction is x by y is x is 5 and y is 12. Now, question 3. A scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark is for wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Solution. Let the correct answer be x and wrong answer be y. Therefore, total equations x plus y. It is given that 40 marks scored, getting 3 marks for right and losing 1 marks for wrong. So for x right answer, 3 into x, 3x, and for y wrong answer, y into 1, 3x minus 1y is equal to 40, question 1. If 4 marks given for each right answer and 2 marks deducted for each wrong answer, his score will be 50. So for right answer, 4 marks, so 4x, and for wrong answer, 2 marks, so 2 into y is equal to 50. Equation 2. Now multiplying equation 1, this equation 1 by 2 and subtracting equation 1, we get 4x minus 2y is equal to 50, this equation 2, and from this multiplying by 2, 6x minus 2y is equal to 2 into 40, 80. So 4x minus 6x is minus 2x, this cancel, and it is minus 30. So minus minus cancel, x is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15. Putting x equal to 15 in equation 1, we get 3 into 15 minus y is equal to 40. It is into, okay. So 45 minus 40 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 5. So total questions x plus y is equal to, x is 15 and y is 5. So 15 plus 5 is 20. Finish.